Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable alert sounds for cat or dog on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down and in here, in the hearing section, tap on sound recognition. And at the top, tap on the sound recognition toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, tap on sounds. In here, go down to the animals section and then tap on cat or dog or both. So in here, I tap on cat, then tap on the cat toggle button to switch it on. You can also change the alert tones for cat by simply selecting one of the sounds in here. And then we go on the back, we tap on the back key to go back to the sound settings. And now you can tap on dog to switch on or turn off the alert sound for dog. And again, you can also change the alert tones for dog. And once you have turned it on, if your phone detects any sound coming from the cat or dog, it will raise an alert on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.